Good morning, students. Today, we will discuss another formula in numerical method, Newton's backward interpolation formula. In this case, when the x values are given, x is equal to x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, then corresponding y values are y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4. In the case n value in between x3 and x4, we have to find out the corresponding y value. In that case, we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's forward interpolation formula, beginning case. Beginning case, we have to find out corresponding y value. In the Newton's backward interpolation formula, the n value we have to find out. The formula says that Pnx is equal to yn plus u into del yn plus u into u plus 1 by 2 factorial del square yn plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 by 3 factorial del cube yn plus etc. Where u is equal to x minus xn by h. Where u is equal to x minus xn by h. This is formula for Newton's backward interpolation formula. We can do one problem based on this formula. The problem says that the following table gives the values of the function f of x is equal to e raised to 0.1x at certain values of x. Compute the approximate values of f of 1.80 using Newton's backward interpolation formula. The data given, the values of x 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. The corresponding y values are 1, 1.0513, 1.1052, 1.1618, 1.2214. Here we have to find out the value f of 1.80. That is, we have to find out the n value. 1.5. The 1.8 lies between 1.5 and 2. We have to find out the corresponding y value or f of x. We have to find out. For that, we use the formula Newton's backward interpolation formula. The formula says that yn plus u into del yn plus u into u plus 1 by 2 factorial del square yn plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 by 3 factorial del cubed yn plus etc. So first, we have to make the table. From the table, we can find the value of del yn, del square yn, del cubed yn. To find the value of u, we use the formula x minus xn by h. Well, first, we have to make the table. The table. Values of x 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. This is the values of x. Then corresponding y value 1.00, 1.0513, 1.1052, 1.1618, 1.2214. Write the values of x and value of y in two columns. Values of x are 0, 0.5, 1, 1.52. The difference is h is equal to 0.5. Then we can calculate the value of u. U is equal to x minus xn. Here x is equal to 1.8 minus xn is equal to 2. 1.8 by 0.5. 1.8 minus 2 by 0.5. The value will be minus 0.4. Minus 0.4. Therefore, the value of u is equal to minus 0.54. Then we can make the columns del y naught. Del y. This is first column, del y. First, we have to make del y. For that difference, take the difference 1.0513 minus 1.00. The value will be 0.0513. Similarly, 1.1052. Next value 0.0539. The next value 0.0566. 0.0596. First, you have to make that column del y. For that, we take the difference 1.0513 minus 1.00.0513. 1.1052 minus 1.0513, 0.0539. 1.1618 minus 1.052, 0.0566. 1.2214 minus 1.1618, that is equal to 0.0596. Then next column, del square y. Next column, del square y. Take the difference, we get 0.0026, 0.0027, 0.0030. Then next column, del cubed y. Del cubed y is equal to 0.001, 0.003. Then del raised to 4y. Del raised to 4y is equal to 0.002. So first you have to make the table. Newton backward difference table. First you have to make the table. First we write the value x column here, then y column here, then del y, take the difference. Take the difference. Take the difference. Take the difference. Then for we get 0.0513, 0.0539, 0.0566, 0.0596. The next column, take the difference 0.0539 minus 0.0513, that is 0.0026. Then 0.0027, 0.0030. Then take the next column del cubed by del raised to 4y. This is the procedure for making the Newton backward difference table. After preparing Newton backward difference table, we take the values lower here. We take the values here. In this case, 1.2214 taken as yn. This is taken as del y naught. This is taken as del square y naught. This is taken as del cubed y naught. This is taken as del raised to 4, del raised to 4 y, del raised to 4 y. This is in the backward difference table, we take the lower values, lower diagonal value 1.2214 taken as yn, del y 0.0596, del square yn 0.0036, del cubed yn 0.0003, del raised to 4 yn 0.0002. Then applying the formula. After that, we apply the formula. Then we can write the formula. In the formula, our formula is Pnx is equal to Yn. Yn is equal to 1.2214. Yn is equal to 1.2214 plus U is equal to minus 0.4 into del Yn. Del Yn is equal to del Yn, that is equal to 0.0596. 0.0596. Then plus U into U plus 1, that is minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1. Minus 0.4 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial into 0.0030. Then plus. Next case, minus 0.4 minus 0.4 plus 1 into minus 0.4 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into 0.0003. Then next case, minus 0.4 into minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 2 minus 0.4 plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into 0.002. We substituting the values in the formula. This is Newton backward difference table, backward difference formula. In this formula, we substituting the values of yn, del square yn, del cubed yn, del raised to 4 yn. Here u is equal to minus 0.4. We just substituting the values 1.2214. That is the value of yn, and the value of u is equal to minus 0.4 into 0.0596, that is del yn, plus minus 0.4 into minus 0.4 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial, then del square yn, 0.0030, plus minus 0.4 into minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into minus 0.0003. Then third value, that is minus 0.4 plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 2 minus 0.4 plus 3 divided by 4 factorial 0.0002. Substituting the values in the Newton backward interpolation formula and simplifying, you will get the value as 1.1972. That is in between, that is, we have to find out the value in between 1.5 and 2. 1.5 and 2. That is, we have to find out 1.80 is equal to 1.1972. Therefore, the value f of 1.80, when x is equal to 1.80, that is, when x is equal to 1.80, corresponding y is equal to 1.972. This is the procedure for Newton's backward interpolation formula. When Newton's backward interpolation formula is normally used in the n value, we have to calculate the n value. Newton's forward interpolation formula, we calculate for the beginning case. In the n case, we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. The table for the same. Both Newton's backward and forward, the tables are same. But we take the del values. Here the del values are taken the lower diagonal value, lower. Here, this is yn, this is del yn, this is del square yn, this is del cubed yn, this is del raised to 4 yn. We pick out these values and substituting in the formula and simplifying, you will get the answer as 1.1972. Therefore, you must remember the formula. Formula is very, very important. The formula is Pnx, that is Pn of 1. That is Pn of 1.80. 1.80 is equal to 1.2214. Substituting this formula, the formula is yn plus u del yn plus u into u plus 1 by 2 factorial del square yn plus u into u plus 1 u plus 2 by 3 factorial del cubed yn. The next term will be u into u plus 1 u plus 2 u plus 3 by 4 factorial del raised to 4 yn plus etc. Then we get the answer. This is the procedure for Newton backward interpolation formula. Okay.